Hey guys, CP here coming at you with a new ICO review of Fox Trading, a new cryptocurrency and Forex trading service. I've been following this project for the past couple weeks, and they decided to let's do a full review and share my information with the community. But before I begin, like always, I want to thank all the current subscribers for your support and comments. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any new ICO. Existing ICO in progress, crypto news and giveaways, and like always, please do not invest any funds you cannot afford to lose. As you can see, I've already logged into foxtrading.io. Fox Trading is basically a Forex and cryptocurrency trading service. Let's go through the site. Trading is now a lot easier. A newbie in trading looking to identify the right signal for trading, or maybe you do not have the time to stay in front of the computer screen to keep up with the trends. So basically, they will be providing signal service and auto trading service for the community. So currently, they are in the round 2 of the ICO. Current benefits right now is if you decide to purchase, you do get additional 36% bonus, and it does decrease every 4% every 24 hours. Okay, so this 36% bonus, it's currently for another 22 hours and 59 minutes. Okay, so right now the main sale is live, like I mentioned to you before. So right now the current price is 1 ETH, or about 0.01 BTC will get you about 1632 FOXT. What they're looking to do is, let's see, we're looking at the ISO, 7 million FOXT. They've already reached their soft cap. Currently they've already sold about 2.1 million FOXT. Okay, we'll go over the white paper and review the algorithm. They do have the trading information on my FX book, so we'll go through that. All their social media is up and running. Telegram got over 11,000 members already. Seems like they're pretty active there as well. We'll circle back to this. Okay. So what is Fox Trading? Basically an option for each investor. The main benefit here is really two-part. You got the signal service. So by purchasing their token during the ICO, you have a lifetime access to exclusive and high quality trading signal with about 85% accuracy to trade it yourself on any broker or exchange. Okay, so essentially this means that all they're going to be doing is providing the service as far as the signal. Now, whether you decide to execute the signal and purchase or not, that's going to be up to you. Okay, they do also provide auto trading service, 100% hands-free, online platform compatible with main cryptocurrency exchange and Forex broker to connect Fox Signal with user account without moving their funds. And like I mentioned, they'll be set up through the API, so they'll be trading on your behalf. Now with this one, I think when I was reading through the white paper, you do have to have a certain number of FOXT to get the free auto trading service, so we'll touch base on that. And of course, if you don't want to do the signal service or the auto trading, you can just hold and hold on to your FOXT, and you earn dividend from the trading pool. So exclusive for ICO investor. Recurrent profit, simply holding tokens without adding extra funds. Already 38% gain on the Forex beta account, so we'll review that as well. They already got some pretty nice review from all this agency, but like I said, these are just no difference to what I'm doing. Okay, just giving you what they think is the profitability of this ICO. Okay, so track ISOs already given it a 4.8 out of 5, A+ by ISO Bazaar, ISO rated 4.5. Hype code 95% out of 100, and ISO alert, I think that's just a review. So next step for Fox Trading team, evolving to crypto world after years of working on the first project, which is the Fox binary signals, which I'll show you their platform. Okay, and I also mentioned they do have the my FX book where you can see what they have done so far up to basic current. I think with my FX book is updated every 3 minutes, so we'll look at that as well. So far they do have an app which is only compatible with the Google Play. Okay, The Apple Store, like you said, Apple has been very reluctant to add, certain service in the crypto arena. So, right now, if you have an Android, that's probably easier to, to set up the app with them. So they've already have over 10,000 app downloaded from the app Google Play, 1,500 registered user already. And I guess they mentioned the past year and a half or so, or 2 years, they've already accumulated about 350% for their members. Okay, and these are really achievable numbers when you take a look at, this is not, per year. This is over a 2 year period. So if they, that's, I think, if you look at the numbers, that looks respectable. So service, we talked about the signal service. Okay, so exclusively the service is only given to a limited number of users to avoid long losing performance. One of the key to our success. Experienced team, they mentioned more than 2 years with working on the algorithm and provide services to more than 1,500 users. They mentioned about their success over the 2 year period, accumulating over 350% during 2016 and 2017. Now, this is more trading the Forex market. Okay, smart trading, 100% hands-free auto trading, which we talked about, but you do have to purchase a minimum amount of token before they give you the I guess the free service. Okay, multi-platform service, the web dashboard and iOS and Android apps give your user instant access to trading signal and trading pool performance. Okay, and security and low fee. You can learn more and register Fox Trading tokens. Okay, it is based on the Ethereum blockchain using the ERC20 contract with the final price of 68 cents. Token distribution, like I mentioned, total supply is 10 million FOXT, 70% of the token allocated to the investor, which is 7 million. 15%, which is 1.5 million, will be for developer and company reserve. 1 million for rewarding advisor. 500,000 used for bounty program and marketing. And like I mentioned, they are already in their round two. Round two, you earn 40% bonus, and each day they do drop by 4%, all the way down to 4. And then the last round, no bonus, it's just whatever the price. I think you mentioned 68 cents per token. Okay, and currently we are on the 36% bonus. Let's see, let's continue. They do have the version available right now. Let's click here, take a look, which is basically go through the process, as far as the signal. Now what they show here is just a basic snapshot. It does only show back, I guess, to January 16th. Buy and sell. Okay, BTC to USD, pound against USD, ETH against USD, IOTA, BTC, euros as well. So like I mentioned, auto trading system. We can link the API with Poloniex, Kraken, Bitfinex, and of course, if you want to do Forex trading, you basically set up the MetaTrader 4, and I'm sure you can link that with some of the Forex exchange. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we talked about the app. Okay, like I said, right now it's only on Google Play. Apple Store is coming soon. Why use us? Exclusive and lifetime access. We talked about before. Now this is good. Increased token demand based on our experience with the Fox binary signal. We have determined that interest in our trading algorithm increased every month, linked to the profitability. Additional users will need to purchase token to gain access to our service, and so on. Deflationary token. After every payment of Fox token made on the Fox trading platform by a new user, a small amount of those tokens will be burned, making the Fox trading token deflationary currency, which is good. Roadmap, like I said, you guys got to go through this and see. So we are on the main sale, which kind of pushed it back a little bit. Okay, so originally put on the roadmap from March to April, but like I said, we're already in May, so a lot of this stuff will be pushed back. Once the ISO is completed, they will be listed on multiple exchange, which they don't mention who yet, but of course they have to have some trading volume and we'll just pay the fee. Okay, we're looking at in Q2 and Q3, final development of the trading algorithm. Okay, let's see, Q4 desktop platform and app release. And next year, launch Autotrading service. So like I said, this is not a, this is going to take some time. So it's not going to be like, you go in and profit immediately. But, if they get everything up and running, especially the pool, I think that's where we can profit currently before everything's fully launched. Find a platform release. So we're looking at least by next year, the end of Q1 to Q2 2019, before everything will be basically released. Okay, after they do all their testing. You guys look at the team and who they are. Okay, go through that. Let's see. If you can ask questions, go through that as well. The project summary, I think that's important. Immediately following the completion of the project, all contributor will receive exclusive trading signal. We talked about monthly money back from the profit of the trading pool with no further investment required. And last but not least, the option to use our Autotrading service to copy Fox Trading investment using their own account and receive 100% of the benefit. And like I mentioned to you, I've been trying to use a lot of the trading bots. Now, this is not a trading bot. This is more, a service that they provide, send you a signal. And the main thing with a lot of this stuff is that you have to be, ready to execute if they send you a signal. Maybe test it out on a small scale before you decide, to go, gun ho with it. So, let's see what else. The exchanges, and then like I mentioned, they're gonna be listed on multiple exchanges once everything is done. Start here, just a snapshot of what the dashboard looks like. Let's go through like I mentioned, right now it's the app's only available on the Google Play. White paper, pretty much similar to what we talked about before. You guys can look through that. Really, the main thing I like about this project is really the signal service, and hopefully be able to set up the auto trading, all the bots. Okay, by using their algorithm. Okay, look through that. Let's look at the MyFX. So like I mentioned to you, they already trading. So we can see here, November 6th, they basically start recording what they're doing. You can see they've already gained about 40% since then. So we're already how many months into it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months into it. 40% gain, not too bad. Trading history, you can see there. I think they mentioned their goal is try to get about 85% win rate, which is reasonable. Okay, so not gonna win every time. They're not gonna, but the main thing is as long as they have more winning trade than losing trade, then we definitely will be in the profit. You guys will look through that. So let's look at the platform. So right now, their current contribution, they will accept Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, right now it's at 36% bonus and decrease in the next 22 hours. Okay, and let's see, they do have a bounty program. You can look through that. Their dashboard, that's just a summary of what it looks like. And like I mentioned earlier, what they're trying to do. My thing, like I said, with this one, it's more of the trading pool. Hopefully, like I said, once this is done to get everything up and running, we'll have more detail on this. Okay, trading signal. Now, the trading signal, I think this one you do have to be ready to execute if that's if you follow the trend. The main thing is once the signal comes, you don't really want to just execute right away. Hopefully you at least open up the the exchange and just look at the trend and see if they're telling you to do a sell a put. Okay, and you want to make sure that the trend is there, but like I said, the main thing is they're going to provide a service, the signal service. You still have to analyze to see if this is something that you want to execute based on what they mention. Okay, so that's just my take of Fox Trading. I definitely like this project. So definitely going to go and deposit some funds. Right now, like I said, that 36%. It does decrease in 22 hours. So that's just my take on Fox Trading, guys. If you have any question or want more detail, the link will be below with the white paper and the site itself. So CryptoPaul here. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments or shoot us an email. Thank you so much. And if you find the information helpful and help the channel, and subscribe or hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.